Gosh, I almost thought I got chased by a bear there. So we're doing Maximize AI Workshop 2.0. And yeah, get out and snowboard, right?
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you, come along and see us through.
So we're doing Maximize AI Workshop 2.0. And yeah, get out and snowboard, right? Make things happen in your business, obviously. Don't be afraid to take risks. Don't be afraid to learn about the fears of AI, the hype, how to tone that down, how to use tools. And I've been seeing clients design logos, do like all kinds of marketing access type stuff, which has been pretty amazing. But we've been using it on AI calling centers that can follow up for you and do meetings and all that cool stuff. At this event, I am not just showing you guys how to use this stuff, but we'll have sponsors. So if you want to be a sponsor, we'll get like a 1-minute session and you'll be included on the online videos for a long period of time. And also there'll be food for the in-person, and online people, it will be live on that day. So definitely come check it out and have fun with us. You get to also just network and engage with people that are like you in the business space or whatever type of utilization tool you're wanting to use the AI workshop stuff for. We'll be giving some trial access to a new piece of like loyalty software for your clients. Something very unique I also didn't mention was you also have an opportunity to upgrade your ticket. If you order the merchandise, you get free access to our 3,000 leads a year AI workshop that helps you kind of improve that skill set, especially for those of you who need marketing, need leads. Not everyone needs that. Some people have already got that figured out. Okay guys, one little strategy hack if you want to get the most out of the workshop. When you sign up, remember you get lifetime access to the workshop. It's going to come in as a community, a course value in your email. And then here's another hack. So if you buy a sticker, which is $15, you get access to merchandise as well as the 3K mini course. You could stack that with a sponsorship purchase. You can see I almost bailed there. And that'll get you a lot more bang for the buck. You promote your business, you do a free giveaway at the workshop, and you build value in everyone with the online version of it. So don't be scared, check out, get yourself some merch. You'll get free merch at the workshop too if you purchase one piece of merch. DJM shirts like this come with an extra shirt purchase bonus. So yeah, check it out. Here's another bonus. So you get to walk around this room in pairs of 2 and engage with a lot of people, and you get to talk online and join the forums. And if you're stuck on an AI tool, we have a group that you can join where everyone talks about it, discusses ways and techniques to improve, discusses like all kinds of amazing stuff that is important for your growth, right? So just keep that in mind, and don't forget to have fun. Enjoy the ride. I'll see you on the other side. Cheers guys. Go check out the podcast as well, the Money Brew Show, if you want to learn more. Bye for now. Tell people why they should have fun. Come to the AI workshop.
Yeah, brew. You need to come because it's fun, brew. And then your technology can just do what it does, and you can come snowboard, brew. It's gonna be buy a lacquer brew.
Which AI do you love the most? What's the most interesting AI for you so far that I've worked on?
Email.
There you go. You guys have it. Come check it out. Remember to work hard and play hard. Come learn together. Cheers, guys. Bye.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you, come along and see us through.